Hi, I am Radha. My team name is Innovators. Now we are going to see about storyboard of our app called Goodbye. First of all, storyboard is nothing but we expose our idea as understanding way. The people when they going to purchase in the mall, they have lot of problems. First, the man thinking about time and budget to purchase before entering into the mall. Then the man go inside with different queries. Inside the mall, people tired with see about each item's price, quality, expiry date like that. After finishing purchasing, the people prefer to billing only. When the people stand in the queue for billing, they have lot of problems like waste of time, so tired, irritating. In sometimes the people purchasing a lot of items exceed their limit of own money. So people have problems like Mire time waste. So we give the solution for purchasing in mall by using our app. This time the man does not confuse about anything because he used our app Goodbye. Inside the mall, the man on the detector in our app to purchase, and the man enter his limited amount to purchase. This page describes people know the details about items by showing the barcode in front of mobile. One important thing is the man directly paid the money to billing section, so people does not get tired, upset, wasting the time, need not to stand in the queue for long time. In settlement side, people can also pay the amount by net banking, debit card, credit card, and as well as cash on delivery. The another feature in our app is handicraft. When foreigners purchasing handicraft things in another countries, they have lot of problems. Their problems about where I am, what things are available here, quality of things. This page describes about the foolishness while dealing on purchasing. So some foreigners foolish by some our sellers like this. We have a solution for these problems. Using our app, find and know where he is in, what things are available there, quality and real price of that. This page describes the solutions like avoid foolishness, happy purchasing. Using our app, find where he is in, what things are available there, quality and real price of that. We have also major solutions like toll-free and messaging options in our app. I hope this app will helpful for all of you. Thank you.